Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're looking into something that's, well, it's been all over social media,
Mm-hmm.
the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine. Or sometimes it's called Aironox. Anyway, it promises to kind of save us from the ironing board.
Right, and that's the hook, isn't it? When something claims to cut down a chore everyone hates,
Yeah.
you have to ask, is it real?
Exactly.
So our mission, based on the sources you shared, is to figure out if this thing is genuinely a game changer, or if it's just, clever marketing hype. Does that 8 to 12 minute promise hold up?
Okay, let's start with the promises, the marketing stuff. What are they actually saying it does?
Well, the big claims are saving time, obviously. Smoothing clothes, shirts, trousers, that sort of thing, in under 12 minutes, specifically 8 to 12.
And how does it supposedly work? The sources mention a couple of features.
Yeah, they talk about magnetic clips to hold the clothes in place.
Yes.
And the core mechanism seems to be warm air drying. That's what does the smoothing.
Warm air drying.
Okay.
And the result is meant to be.
Professional quality results. That's the phrase they often use. Sometimes they bundle it with deals, extended warranties, trying to build that picture of quality and, I guess, reliability.
Right, selling the dream of just dropping a crumpled shirt in and getting it back perfect.
Pretty much. Speed and hands-off convenience. But, the tech itself, warm air, kind of sets a limit on what professional quality might actually mean here.
Okay, so that's the pitch. Speed, convenience, professional results. But what happens when people actually, get it home and use it? What are the real-world reports saying?
This is where it gets interesting. The sources suggest it does work, but maybe not quite as advertised depending on your expectations.
How so?
Users seem to agree it reduces light wrinkles. It makes clothes look tidier, definitely. And it's easy to use, much less effort than getting out the iron and board. So for quick touch-ups, daily wear, it's pretty convenient.
Okay, so convenient for knocking out light creases. But that phrase, professional quality results, does it live up to that? Does warm air actually iron in the traditional sense?
Ah, that's the big catch, isn't it? Traditional ironing uses intense heat and pressure. You're pressing down hard.
Right, the weight of the iron matters.
Exactly. That pressure physically restructures the fibers, sets those sharp creases. The Aironox, using just warm air, fundamentally lacks that pressure element.
So no sharp creases, no stiff collar.
Generally, no. The result is softer, it smooths, it reduces wrinkles, yes. But it just can't replicate that crisp, sharp, tailored look you get from a proper press. It's more of a wrinkle reducer than an iron replacement for, say, formal shirts.
Got it. So maybe good for t-shirts and casual stuff, but keep the old iron handy for job interviews.
That seems to be the consensus from the user reports, yeah.
Okay, so the machine itself has its pros and cons, but you mentioned earlier the tech isn't the whole story. What about actually getting the machine? The sources flag some issues there too, right?
Oh, absolutely. This is a really significant point in the reviews. The whole logistical side of things. It adds friction, you could say.
Friction.
Well, the main thing seems to be delivery times. These units often ship from overseas, so people are reporting pretty serious delays, sometimes waiting 6, even 8 weeks for it to arrive.
Wow, 8 weeks. That kind of cancels out the time-saving aspect up front, doesn't it?
It certainly tests your patience, and it dampens that initial excitement.
And what if something goes wrong after it finally arrives? Customer service.
That's another area with, let's say, mixed feedback according to the sources. Some users report difficulties, not just with setting it up, but specifically with getting warranty claims handled or finding replacement parts if something breaks.
So if it breaks, that convenience factor disappears pretty quickly if you're facing a difficult repair process.
Precisely. The speed you bought into is suddenly gone, replaced by potentially weeks of hassle trying to sort things out internationally.
Okay, so let's pull this all together. Our deep dive suggests the Aironox, or Aironox, is a genuinely useful tool for reducing wrinkles, making clothes look neater, and saving effort on light everyday stuff.
Definitely. It has its place for convenience.
But calling it an automatic iron might be setting the wrong expectation if you're thinking of that traditional, super sharp, pressed finish. It's more like a de-wrinkler.
A warm air de-wrinkler, yeah.
Yeah.
That's probably a more accurate description. It saves time on maintenance, but it won't replace a proper iron for formal wear.
So the takeaway for you listening is, it works for convenience, but manage your expectations about the ironing quality.
Right. And you really have to weigh that convenience against those potential logistical headaches, the long shipping times, the customer service lottery.
Which brings us to a final thought for you to consider.
Since this machine is really about convenience and quick touch-ups, not perfect tailoring, how much is that everyday convenience worth to you when balanced against potentially waiting 2 months for delivery and maybe facing challenges if you need support later on.
Is that trade-off, ease of use versus potential logistical pain, worth it for simply avoiding light ironing? Something to think about.